What is going on, everybody? How's it going? And welcome back. So we got lots and lots of flex tools here. Finally got time to be able to do the video since the last item showed up. Um, appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. And we're just gonna quickly go over what I got here. So the ones on the bottom are the Stack Pack radios, which are actually pretty awesome. Um, they do AM, FM. They have a built-in clock. You can actually like Bluetooth sync both radios together, so that way they're playing the exact same music. And I've been quite impressed. They are completely synced with music. We got lots of batteries, a couple different types of chargers here, some impacts, and a grinder and a few other things. So I got a majority of this from Amazon, but a lot of the batteries I picked up at Lowe's. There's a few batteries that I didn't get from Lowe's, like the 8 amp hour and these 12 amp hours I did not get from Lowe's. Lowe's has been having a hard time getting flex items because of the tariffs and stuff. Um, and then I got this one right here. So these two batteries are 5 amp hours, and you can see the label difference. So this is the original battery I got with the turbo hammer drill and impact driver. It actually had an issue. So it is fully charged, but it had an issue where it was evacuating the cooling gel. So this battery got replaced, and I contacted Flex, and this is the box and the battery that showed up. And then all I had to do was contact Flex and give them the serial number of this battery so they can replace the serial number of this battery on the account. So these batteries actually show you max continuous discharge watts on the stickers, and the stickers are gray instead of a kind of box pattern or diamond shape pattern. Um, so we got the 550 watt supercharger here. I've used a few times. All of these batteries I've actually used a couple times now. A lot of stack pack batteries, the lithium pouch batteries. We got 4 3.5, as well as 4 of the 2.0 pouch batteries. I like the 2.0s. They're most compact. The indicators in the front, kind of like Milwaukee, DeWalt, and everybody else. 3.5, 3.5, and then there's a 3.5 there, 3.5 there, and then there's 4 2s, and then there's these 3 8s here. This 8 is actually bad. It actually showed up where it was puking in the box, so I got to dispose of this one. These two right here, these two need to be disposed of, but I figured I would include them in the video. 12 amp hour. We got 3 of those guys. We got a grinder. We got the half-inch mid-torque right there. We have this one right here is the half-inch compact, and that one is the 3/8 compact. And that guy right there is the half-inch high torque. Gen 2. These are all Gen 2 tools. They're not the Generation 1 tools with the big, huge silver snout on the front. And then we have these 6 amp hour stack pack pouch celled batteries here. We got another 5 here, which came with one of these rapid or fast chargers, 160 watt fast chargers. 2.5 amp hour, because I have a 2.5 amp hour. So the hammer drill and impact driver kit I bought originally a long time ago, it came with a 2.5 and a 5. So I decided to get another 2.5. It came with a 160 watt fast charger. This kit right here is actually the high torque 6 amp hour and this 280 watt rapid charger. I just put all the 6 amp hours over here. And then we got another 280 watt rapid charger here, another 160 watt fast charger. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 fast chargers, 160 watt fast chargers, and all of these chargers actually ended up coming with a battery. And they were, super discounted on sale. prices. I don't know if it's a promo. I think Lowe's is doing a promo right now on a lot of things because I noticed there was a discounts on a lot of things. So all of these impacts I got from Lowe's. The grinder I got from Amazon. This kit I got from Lowe's. This rapid charger, 280 watt rapid charger, it came with one of these 6 amp hour stack packs. And then the supercharger came by itself. The 2 radios I got on Amazon, which I have run them with the 12 amp hour batteries. I've gotten 8.5 hours of runtime on these radios running these 12s, and the 12s only lost 1 bar of charge. So, you know, with the 12 amp hour in these radios on full volume, full blast, you could probably get, you know, 30, 40 plus hours out of them. Probably more than that, actually, you know, 8 hours times 4. So, yeah, a lot more than 48 hours. But I really like the stacked lithium too, specifically for like the impacts, the smaller impacts. A buddy of mine mentioned that he loves this grinder with a stacked 6. He says that it runs for hours on a stacked 6, which is, it's always nice to find a grinder that you can use constantly for hours on end, and the battery doesn't just die within 20 minutes. You know, Milwaukee, DeWalt, Makita, all of their batteries. Makita 40 volt, Makita, you know, 18 volt. They all have a tendency, Ryobi, they all have a tendency to die on their grinders within like 15 so minutes. So that's always nice to see. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to do a quick little video for you guys. So there's 1, 2, 3 5s. There's 2 2.5s in my collection now. There is 4 6 amp hour stack packs, because one's actually out on the charger. We got 4 3.5 amp hour stack packs. We got 4 2.0 amp hour stack packs. And then we have 3 8s and 3 12s. And I think that's it. I really like the compacts. I like that you can actually change the settings on them. So if you hold these 2 buttons down, the M and the arrow, it actually forces all of these lights to flash, and then you just pull the trigger, tap the trigger to change the brightness on the lights on the front. The high torque does that too. So the 2 compacts do it, the mid torque doesn't. But the high torque actually has a lot of lights. So it's got the 3 on the front, and it also has 1 on the bottom. And the high torque does that option as well. So I've been very impressed with the Flex tools. I've actually extremely impressed with their batteries. So this light that is giving the video light is a Flex Tower light. It's plugged into an extension cord at the moment, but with a standard 5 amp hour, because that's all I originally had was a 5 and a 2.5. That's all I had for batteries because I only had the drill kit, a fan, and this light. This light will only last about an hour and 20 minutes on a 5 amp hour 18650 style battery. This light, though, with one of these 6 amp hour stack lithium packs, the light actually lasts about 7.5 hours on that one battery on one charge. So I'm actually quite impressed with the stacked lithium batteries. And, you know, hopefully eventually Flex will release the, you know, the 12 amp hour, the 8 amp hour, and the, you know, like a 2.5 and the 5 amp hour, you know, 18650 style batteries, and hopefully they'll release them eventually in the stacked lithium. That would be pretty awesome to have, you know, a whole line of stacked lithium batteries from a 2 all the way up to a 12. But that is all I got for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope the video was helpful, and we'll see you guys next time.